Have you ever wanted to remove the clutter from your brain? I can do that in 3 minutes.
Dealing with stress has always been an issue for me.
I've been a clinical hypnotherapist helping relieve people of their anxieties and bad habits for over 30 years, and I've written 13 books. Basically, my entire life, I've been watching people's behavior, helping them get over problems and bad habits, and teaching them how to relax. But most importantly, learning from every client who's come in my office what makes them tick, what helps them rewrite their negative stories to positive ones. I'm just telling you the truth now. Last year I was in 3 car accidents. Then I had to go through 3 spine operations, the first of which I lost my speaking and singing voice completely. While that was happening, my mom, my 68-year-old sister, my 70-year-old brother, and my dog died. On top of that, I moved. Talk about a year that could have buried me in sadness, pain, and change. How does anyone recover from this kind of pain? In the human brain, we have 2 types of reasoning, deductive and inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning is simply using empirical knowledge to come to a conclusion. 1 + 1 = 2. Inductive reasoning is the method our brain uses to test hypothetical ideas and theories. Let me give you an example in real life to help you understand the difference between the 2 kinds of reasoning and what you might choose. A husband comes home from a business trip and he has an open box of condoms in his suitcase with 2 missing from a box of 20 strawberry flavored. What kind of reasoning would you use to understand what he's up to? If you used logic or deduction, then you're simply subtracting 2 from 20 to get 18. That's it. That's as far as our deductive brain can take us. However, the inductive rationale after finding 20 minus 2 might equal my partner's stepping out on me. And he's cheating with someone better looking, hotter and sexier than me. It goes on and on. So the inductive is the opposite of logical. This is important to understand, my friend, because to get to a stress-free life where I want you to be, you cannot assume truth from the question why. And assumptions rather than evidence always lead to why. The premise of anxiety comes to you at exactly the same time you ask the question why. The question why doesn't give you a better answer than what you see in front of you. It just keeps you in your inductive anti-logic, in your broad generalizations long enough to sacrifice what you're looking for. This is maybe asking yourself, why would I want to clear my brain of everything? What if I have a speech to remember, or a schedule to keep, or a tumor to remove in the operating room? My short answer is, can you keep everything in your brain at the same time and still make the next healthy choice? Remember, you can only think 1 thought at a time.
Nothing has really helped me organize the clutter in my brain until I read From 10 to Zen, De-Stress Your Life with the Zeroing Out Technique.
After reading or listening to my book on Audible, you'll be deleting all the causes of your stress and be left with only peace of mind. I promise. And where there's peace of mind, there's no need to worry about memory. The memory actually works much better without anxiety.
In only 3 to 4 minutes, this technique immediately makes me calmer in mind and body.
If it sounds like something you need and want, just click on the Buy Now button and buy yourself a copy today. It's only $1.99.
I'm taking back my mind by removing the clutter, and now I'm taking back my life.
I promise you won't be sorry.